a very early stage. Suppose we have a 3-stage journey, so I think the journey has begun. We are at the awareness stage, I would say. All the stakeholders, whether in the industry, regulators, employers, are going through a awareness phase. They are also exploring what sustainable means. It's not easy to digest subject, correct? Not hard business. So I would say beginning, I think it's good beginning, long way to go. Sustaining sustainability in the industry is going to be a challenge and opportunity. Still a long way to go. I'm only hoping that it doesn't lose its shine and the focus. Somewhere it has to be integrated with the business results. As much as CSR is being doubted, in some ways percentage of profitability of your turnover. Somewhere sustainability has to be doubted in the similar way. Good beginning, long way to go. That's how I would answer. In overall sustainability, green logistics is even a step behind. So we still have awareness as a challenge. People are not even fully aware. So green logistics is part of sustainability is another 3 years behind. So you need to get awareness among the logistics service users, the providers, the enablers, and the regulators. Right? A whole lot of work needs to be done on green logistics, and it can only succeed if we can relate green logistics with my business numbers. I must see that there are monetary benefits. Correct? That correlation between green logistics and my bottom line, top line needs to be established. That will ensure that people stay focused. So, one needs to be very clear that going green also makes business sense. That part, I think so, that establishment of empirical formula or whatever way of correlation casting, that needs to be done. People are aware. See, green logistics look as more of an environmental and social commitment as of now. It's more look as from that angle. If it is only restricted to environment and social commitment and organizational health and safety, people will not stay focused. So we need to have that. Everything that you do in business has to have some correlation, correct? I'm sure it will come as much as it has come in other industries. It will come for green logistics also. It's good beginning. It needs to be penetrated and percolated down to the foot soldier levels. Here I see a lot of leaders and managers in the organizational hierarchy, correct? Ultimately the foot soldiers in the organizations and the organization partners. So somewhere we have to bring foot soldiers also into the group.